All right, so today we're going to talk about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals. I think we'll probably just get to the adding portion of this presentation. So let's take a look here at the next slide. And here are some of the rules to follow when we are adding decimals. Okay, so I think we know all of these already, but I'd like for someone to read these blue highlights that come across the screen here. Can someone out there read here for us? Always
Yes.
right?
Always write a number sentence vertically.
Keep going.
Remember to line up your decimals. Add zeros or X as placeholder or value.
In here, I would just add zeros. Okay, so I don't really like putting X's. They suggest this here, but I always like to put zeros. Okay.
Apply whole number addition rules.
Okay, that basically just means to add this normally, like we would normally add an addition problem. We just follow the same rules, carry just the same, and work it out. And the only thing we need to do is just remember to bring our decimal straight down. So go ahead, 90.
When adding, bring the decimal down in the sum total.
All right, perfect. So that's that. On the left-hand side there, we brought down the decimal, okay? And so we just need to remember to line up our decimals when we're adding. So those look like they're pretty well in alignment. And so then we just need to add them up. All right, so you guys can scratch this out on a piece of paper. Actually, today you do need a piece of paper, just any little piece of paper nearby that you can scratch out your answers on.
We can write down 0, 0.
Yeah, that's what I would do first. So write down your zeros, okay? And then you can just add like normal, okay? So did anyone get the answer here? Okay.
I get it. 7.759 or 7
and 759,000.
Yeah.
Perfect, Du, you got it. Thank you, Du. That was actually perfect the way you said that. So they have X's here, but I would put zeros in the place here. That's how I would do that. All right, let's try this. See how it goes. Okay, so I think we have 3 minutes to solve this problem. So I want you guys to work this out on a piece of paper.
Okay.
And let's get ready, get set, and go. You have 3 minutes. All right, I think we'll do this faster, but really, guys, write this out and we'll try this, okay? 5.891 plus.
I finished it.
All right, give people a second. Let everyone try. I'm still working it out here. Okay, so make sure you write it out on your board there. And the first step is to put your 0. Okay, and then we'll add it up. Okay, so let me add it up myself first. All right, I think I have my answer. What did you guys get?
I get 9.141.
All right, I feel pretty confident if you got that as well.
9 and 141,000.
All right, perfect. Yeah, and we'd say 9 and 141 thousandths. Is that what you got, Omsen?
Yes, I got it.
All right.
Yeah, I got like that too.
All right, then we are correct. I guess that's time up then. All right. So we would just add a 0 there, line up our decimal points. We would put zeros in there instead of X's. And then we got 9 and 141 thousandths, and we got it, guys.
I think if it minus, it will be more difficult.
Thank you. Well,
Subtraction.
why don't you read the rules then for subtraction, Omsen?
Yes.
Go ahead, read out loud.
Write number sentence vertically. Line up the decimals. Insert zeros or X for placeholder or value.
All right, and I would put just zeros here.
Follow whole number subtractions rules.
That basically just means to do it like normal.
Yeah.
and when we normally
Remember
subtract.
to bring the decimal down to find the difference.
Okay, so that's just bring the decimal straight down, nothing surprising there. Okay, so let's try this one here. Let's work this out. So on this one, what do we need to be really careful about? What do we need to make sure we do first? What's our first step before we even start?
Zero.
Yeah, that would be the
That's
first
zero.
step. And
know
make
the
sure you work
answer.
this out. Okay,
Yeah,
just
I
give us a
think.
I
second.
know
All
the answer.
right,
Let's
wait
do
up,
two.
and I wanna work it out first.
I think 50.
You think 50? All right,
50,
well, let's
yeah.
see if you're right. I haven't even,
That's
I think,
50.
Yes. It's like this teacher is like 0 minus 0 and 5
yeah,
minus 5 and 5
this
minus
is
5.
kind of tricky one. We don't really need to add that
มันไม่
zero.
ต้อง point เลยแหละเอาง่าย
Yeah, you're right. We should just not even add that zero. We should take the zero away,
No, any
right?
points.
We even don't need to put the point 0 0. Just
And
say
what'd you say
50.
the answer was, Do?
50.
Was it, was
50
it,
or 50 0 0
yeah, 50.00.
That's
Either
a
one would be
50.
fine.
50 and
50.0.
0 hundreds.
I actually took that zero out. My
I
first
think
step was to
50
take that
and
zero out.
0 tens.
All right, so let's
50
keep
and 0
going
tens?
then.
50 and 101
All right, so we did all this already. 50.00. All right.
ไม่ใช่
All
คำต
right,
อบ
now let's try a 3-minute drill here. Hopefully we can do
Let's
this.
go.
All right, let's see if you guys can do this
I
subtraction
can't see the
problem.
number.
Oh.
the number 6
The poster.
It's a zero there. It's a zero. It's
Oh, that's
45.60.
Okay, 0.
ไม่
Yeah.
0 สีเหลี่ยว
Ooh, this is tricky.
All
โอ้
right,
ไม่ผิดครับไม่ผิดครับ
45.6.
ไม่ผิดครับ
Now finish.
All right, hang on, wait for us.
Finish.
I still haven't even written it out yet. All right, 21.58.
Okay finish
All right, hang on. I'm still working. 10. Let's see here. That's 2. Yeah.
That easy.
อัดนิดเดียวนิดเดียว
Teacher, do you finish?
No, not yet. I'm pretty slow sometimes.
Ah, bruh.
All right. What did you guys get?
I get
I got
24
24 and 2 hundreds.
on 200.
All right, that's good. That's what I got as well.
So
All right.
I get same you I get same
The key here is to
Okay,
make
see?
sure you put that zero before you guys start. Even before you start, make sure you get that zero
Yeah, I
in
put
there.
0.
Yeah, I put zero.
Especially when you subtract, it's
something.
more important
Huh?
to do it when you subtract,
something.
okay? So we put that zero, then we can subtract there. We should get 24
Up
and 200ths. All right, we're not going to get to multiplying today.
Multiplying. No.
All right, so let's stop there. Our
อั
brains
นนี้
are
เริ่มยาก
overloaded
ไปเรื่อย
already.
ๆแล้วนะ